KuCoin Crypto Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into KuCoin, a top choice for crypto traders worldwide. Links to KuCoin are in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Now, KuCoin is designed for everyone, from beginners looking for user-friendly tools to advanced traders needing a wide range of options and deep liquidity. Let's cover the standout features and what makes KuCoin different. First, KuCoin offers over 700 cryptocurrencies to trade, giving users one of the most diverse portfolios in the industry. If you're into exploring lesser-known tokens alongside mainstream assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, KuCoin provides access to a variety of altcoins and emerging projects. On top of its diverse range, it has relatively low trading fees compared to major exchanges, with options for further reductions when you use KuCoin's native token, KCS. KuCoin stands out with features like futures trading, margin trading, and its spot trading market, allowing you to adapt your strategy based on your risk tolerance and experience. For passive income enthusiasts, KuCoin provides flexible staking options, an automated trading bot, and a lending platform where you can earn interest on your holdings. Security is another big plus. KuCoin employs bank-level asset protection measures and insurance against hacking incidents, with regular updates to keep user funds safe. And while it's packed with advanced tools, KuCoin's platform is still intuitive, accessible via a mobile app or web, ideal for anyone who needs a flexible trading experience on the go. So, who is KuCoin really for? It's geared toward both casual and experienced crypto users, with its blend of accessible features and professional-grade trading options. However, keep in mind that it's a non-US exchange, meaning some services may not be available depending on your location. If this review helped you understand KuCoin better, make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. This way, you're helping others discover useful insights in crypto as well.